Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Apple Watch serial and the activation lock status. This shows whether Icloud is holding the device. Once done, gather the original proof of purchase and the seller's contact details because Apple requires verification. Make sure the original owner signs into Icloud. Selects Find My, chooses the watch and removes it from their account. That immediately clears the lock. If they can't, move on to formal Apple support steps. You now take the ownership evidence to Apple support for a legitimate activation lock removal. Explain the chain of custody and present the receipt plus valid ID. Apple uses that to verify rightful ownership. Make an appointment at a Genius Bar if phone verification isn't sufficient and bring the watch physically. During the process, be patient. Apple may take time to validate documents and confirm the previous Apple ID cannot be contacted. Once Apple approves, they'll remove activation lock and you can pair the watch to your Apple ID. Follow on-screen pairing steps and restore from backup if you have one. If you encounter issues, make sure the watch has latest watch OS and try unpairing and resetting before pairing again. If Apple can't verify ownership, ask for escalation or documentation they need. If that fails, return the device to the seller or seek a refund. Don't attempt unauthorized bypass methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.